Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. If A, B, C are real numbers, such that absolute of A's minus B's equal 1, absolute of B's minus C's equal 1, absolute of C minus A is equal to and A multiply B and multiply C equal 60. Find the values of expression A is equal to A divided by B multiply C plus B divided by C multiply A and plus C divided by A multiply B minus 1 divided by A minus 1 divided by B and minus 1 divided by C. If she knows how to do this, please pause my videos and do it. If she don't know, please resume it and keep watch the video from begin to end. And please don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. And now we go to the solution together. This our problem that we have this, and this. Okay, to find the values of expression A, first I use this. If we have A, I can write it A squared over ABC. This we simplify it, so we get A over BC. And this also we simplify it, we get B over CA. And plus this we simplify it, we get C over AB. And if we simplify it, we get 1 over A. And this also like this, also like this. We see it in the same in denominators. So we take in denominator is 1 and we plus and minus on over. So it's equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared minus AB minus BC minus CA. And now we know the values of ABC. So we must find the values of A squared plus B squared plus C squared minus AB minus BC and minus CA. And to find these values, we must use this, this, and this. And now I copy it in down. If we have the absolute of A minus B is equal 1, so I raise both sides of this equation to square. So we get absolute of A minus B all squared equals 1 squared. This we can use the roots if we have A minus B all squared. We get A squared minus 2AB plus B squared equals this 1 squared is equal 1. And let's is the first equation. And this I copy it down, so we get absolute of B minus C is equal 1. And I raise both sides of this equation to square, so we get the absolute of B minus C of squares equals 1 square. And this we use the rule, so we get B squared minus 2BC plus C squared equals this 1 squared is equal 1. And let is the second equation. And this I copy it down, so we get it's C minus A is equal to. The absolute of c minus a is equal to, I can raise both sides of this equation to square. So I get c minus a all squares equal 2 square. And this we use 0, so we get c squares minus 2ca plus a squares equal 2 squares is equal 4. And I let it the third equation. And now we adding first equation with two equation and with third equation. So we see this a squares and this a squares, we get 2a squares, and this b squares and this b square, we get 2b squares, and this c squares and this c square, we get 2c squares, and minus 2ab's and minus 2bc's and minus 2ca's equals these ones plus 4 is quotient. And then I divide both sides of this equation with 2. So we get a squares plus b squares plus c squares and minus ab's and minus bc's and minus ca's equals 3. And now we know the values of a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab's minus bc's and minus ca. So we can replace it in the expression A. So we get is equals 3 over 60, and we simplify it with 3, so we get 1 over 20. Now, thus we have A is equal 1 over 20 is our answer. And this, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channels for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.